Hey guys, Chief Williams Unfiltered. So I've been troubleshooting this problem with these lights. Of course, they're ordered off of Amazon and they don't come with any instructions. So there's two different parts to it. So you have the turn signal, which comes in this box with no instructions. And then the headlights themselves came, this was one of two, and made in Taiwan, and there's no instructions. So you just got to figure out the wiring. So I had these on here, and these, if you don't know, the VLADs, I think they're called, and that's the part number. This is a H, I think it's a H6, I can't remember what the bulb is, but it only has low beam, so there's a hack that you can do to switch it from low beam to high beam, or high beam to low beam, or vice versa. So the problem I had with these was the only way they worked was on high, and so I was either blinding people, or if I turned them off I couldn't see anything. So, and then plus the grill, it kind of looks like a fake Range Rover, so a lot of people gave me comments on Facebook about it looking like a fake Range Rover. So these are independent LEDs, and so these two come separate, so you have to bolt them together. There's 3 screws in the back, which this is a one-piece unit, but the other one are 2 separate units. So you can order just the headlights by themselves or just the turn signal by themselves. I ordered them both together and I bolted them together. So the issue I ran into is this lead for the LED. This light right here is called the running light, and then the turn signal works independently. So on the driver's side, you need all 3 of these connectors connected, and on the passenger side you only need 2 of these leads connected. So on my truck, I don't know what color your cables are. On my truck, this does not need to be connected. So I blew literally 20 fuses thinking that there was a short, and I finally, through deductive reasoning, I just disconnected this cable and left this which is this light right here, I left that hardwired to the wiring harness, so the original wiring harness. So if you connect this lead, which is this light right here, to the wiring harness itself, and don't connect this lead, you'll be good to go. Now on the driver's side, all 3 are still connected. So I don't know why it works that way, but so this is this light right here. Turn signal is the other cable, and then the middle is the ground. So I'll show you 2 things. One, exactly which fuse it was. So this fuse, when it's blown, you don't have any tail lights and you don't have any dash lights. So the headlights and turn signals still work, but like I said, there's no tail lights. So the brake lights still work when that fuse is blown, but you don't have any rear tail lights, which is a pet peeve of mine to see people with daytime running lights. But that's a whole nother conversation. So now I'll show you with the lights on. So I wired these running lights separate from the daytime running light. So now I got everything's all lit up. And this daytime running light, like I said, is independent from this light. So now I'm gonna show you the hazards. And again, my tail lights are on. I don't know if you can see, but my tail lights are working. So now I'm gonna hit 4-way flashers. So you'll see I got 4-way flashers. And now I'm gonna go turn the lights back off and just go to the daytime running lights so you can see what that looks like. Oh, I guess I gotta start the truck. Hold on a second. So the cool thing about Toyotas and Lexus, they let you turn off the daytime running light. So I got it in DRL on. So as you can see, I have this light independent from this one. So the daytime running lights are both on. The hazards are both on. And then now I'll show you with the lights running again. So everything on. So again, on this side, do not connect this lead and then just hardwire the daytime this running light right here to the factory wire, the green wire in my truck's case. So here's the finished product. I got everything buttoned up. I put my KC fog lights back on. Tribute to Marty McFly. Chief Williams, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.